It has arrived at last. I ordered this 10 weeks ago for my Fuji system, the 33mm Viltrox 1.4 with the X mount. It's taken forever to get here, so I thought I'd do an unbox. Oops. I don't often do these. I don't actually do this on my running myself. Just shake it out here. It's coming. Come on. Hang on. Let me just put this down here. I'll pull it out like this. There we go. Okay. All right. Let me get the normal stuff in here. Throw that away. What's this? Your smart choice. Oh, this is a registration document, I guess, warranty. We'll just put it to one side, get into a box, and get with the old Viltrox soft bag. Very nice. The stuff to keep it dry. Probably has quality assurance in there. Now we get down to it. And it's in there tight. Shake it out on top of that. There she goes. We get into the important bit of the camera lens. Nicely wrapped. There it is. Exciting. Excuse me while I use both hands. Here we go. First impressions. It's got weight. I want you to know it's an autofocus 33 1.4 XF. Washer ring, end cap. So look on the end, and there's the contacts for all the autofocus and information. Just take the front off. Okay. And there's the business end. All about it, and excuse my finger. So I can pull the lens off. That's nice. It's a metal lens hood, I think. Yes, it's metal. Well made. It's got the rings in there for anti-glare. Another look here. Sorry if I'm out of focus. Tells you all over there. It looks. I've got the end cover off still. Focus ring. Smooth. Maybe a little bit on the light side. It's not as tight as other ones I've used. Aperture. Oh, I just touched the lens. Oh. Also, it's clickless. Not my favorite type, but it is what it is for this price. I'll put that back on before I touch the lens again. And this one here. So, first impressions, it looks very well made. Got some decent weight to it, size. I don't know what the C stands for. First impressions, it looks nice. So, what I'll do in the next few days is I will go out locally here along the nature trail with just this lens on the camera. And I will take some pictures and see what the quality is like. So this will be my new camera channel. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. My other channel is about cars and gliders and things like that. So, but no, actually, more I feel of it in my hands, I quite like it. I like the size. I do have a Fujifilm 35mm f2, and I will do some comparisons with this as well, and I'll see what its low light capabilities are like. Maybe I might do an astro picture as well for a full review. So far so good. Was it worth the wait? We'll see, eh? Yeah, 10 weeks from order to getting it in my hands now. Just came today. That's a long time to wait. Thank you, Viltrox. Thank you for watching. Like I said, please like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye now.